Good morning and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. And this is morning, very early for me, especially on holiday. But we've got some friends who are leaving today and they have gave me permission to video them packing away their folding camper.
Connect the water,
Yeah.
and the pump and the gas. And that then,
Oh, that's just one unit.
yeah, that fits in there.
Yeah. Now, what's the loo a part of the camper, or
No.
did you have to buy it separate?
No, it actually it was Lynn had it, but when he had his caravan that didn't have one in.
Oh, yeah.
So then he said, I've got a spare toilet there if it's any use, and it just fits.
No, just what the ideal spacing, like,
Yeah.
was it made for
Perfect
it, sort of
space.
thing?
No, but it just seems to fit. So that's basically the layout of where everything goes on that.
Okay.
And then we put, oh, you're going to get in the way a minute.
And of course, then no one knows or hasn't realised there's a skirt what goes on around these. So
No.
what's the make of this one?
Shigano.
Sagano.
Yeah, it's found.
It's a Shigano. It's a Shigano 415 DL Ranger. So
It is a work of art. No, you can't go in. Where's your weed?
that was the awning poles.
Yeah.
That's the awning canvas.
Like I say, we haven't recorded the awning or the skirts or anything because we're the same with all different types of campers and folding tents. If you haven't noticed, this one actually opens sideways and not lengthways.
Put these down because if you don't, the bed mattress will fall off.
What's that?
There's like a strap that you strap the mattress down because if you don't, when you fold it up,
Oh, yeah, that's a
they
good
fall
idea,
in on
isn't it?
themselves.
Yeah. But all these poles here collapsible, do you need to take them out first?
Nope, they all fold in flat.
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
There is a Shigano Ranger 415. I'm not sure whether it's the XL,
Yeah.
but one of them does have a three-way fridge as opposed to the drawers in the kitchen unit. That's that. No, not just yet.
It is a work of art.
It's a jigsaw, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do what?
It's a jigsaw.
This is everything's got its place.
Except it's slightly loaded differently with us going to another site, so
Yeah.
we'll get what we can in this and then the rest will have to go on the tops.
along the sides now to get the rest.
So is this all packed now for...
Pretty much, yeah. We just got to get those go across there, but I can't reach over, so I'll get them on.
Okay,
So
there we go.
sides off. These are just elasticated underneath and then velcroed on the corners.
Okay.
Barbs,
Yeah,
you got the frame for that out table,
yeah.
please? No, sorry.
You got it. Where's your elastics? You tie them down then, you see, so they don't
Yeah.
waggle around. Like
Yeah. We need the rubber. Taking the rubber, please.
ready? Yeah.
In.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. One. Push it.
Yeah.
That's it down.
So you just got a cover to go on the top, yeah?
Yeah.
No, put all the bits on.
We've got to put bits on the top. So, have you got the block?
Yeah.
These are just.
That's quite a good idea, isn't it, for storage on top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I was just a little bit concerned about it putting too much weight on it, so I made 2 little wooden.
So,
Blocks.
Just
support it.
support it so it's not bouncing down onto the.
Yeah. Do you know what the weight of this is?
Sorry?
Do you know what the weight of it is?
Yeah, maximum is 650 kgs.
Really, you can tow these with anything, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 300 and something. It's about 210 or 220 kgs load.
Yeah.
You can carry on top of its sort of basic weight. People give it just gives you the gross there.
Yeah.
650, but on the paperwork it tells you that what its X works weight or what its maximum carrying weight is.
It's not ideal if you've got a small car. You
Yeah.
can still get away with something like
Well, it's
this.
not so much a small car, it's a small drive.
And a
Just
small
haven't got
drive,
the
yeah.
Space for a big. I mean, this. I struggle getting this up and down. There's the one added bonus with putting the stuff on the top.
Mm.
It doesn't collect water when it throws it down because it pushes the tarp up in the
Yeah.
middle. Gives it
You have
a-
an apex, haven't you?
Right, they'll have to link it up. And them. And them.
I don't know. I don't know how big you think this car is. But you need to put your thing at the front for the wheel. See, for the fridge.
Oh. No, well,
We've got a peg and a thing, that's all.
spin right.
Ta-da!
All done.
Hold on.
And that's it.
That's all that goes into that.
And Glyn said, why you packed it away today, because you're not going till tomorrow.
We're sleeping in his van then.
And here comes Glenn Beckwith and Sharon. Have a safe journey. Bye. And here's our new friends, Steve and Bob. Safe journey.
Bye.